Okay, another teenager, 19 years of age, Manel Contreras. It's exciting to see all these young paddlers coming through. This Spaniard here flying down the course. They've got some depth in the Spanish team, no doubt about that. Reviewing gate 3 already. Oh, lost a little bit of time there on the cross, and maybe even a touch as well for Contreras. That's a costly little combination. No, well, they've taken a touch off, so that's good. Well done, judges. I'm assuming you've got it right. So Contreras back now in the running, but still it's a bit slow, isn't it? It's a bit slow for Manel Contreras. Good experience though for the Spaniard. Ooh, that's all right. I think he's going to be clean. I think he's going to be the first of our male paddlers to go through without a penalty, but just losing some valuable time in places. Comes down now over the 100 mark, unfortunately for Contreras, and that is not going to be good enough.